Hi, I'm Bhoj Raj Pangeni, and today's lesson we are going to discuss about interest. What do you mean by interest? Cost of money for borrower and income for lender. The cost for the borrower who borrow the money and the income for the lender who gives money for loan. That is the income for lender. Generally, the interest are expressed in annual percentage basis or percentage annual basis. Percentage annual basis means percent per annum. For example, 12% per year is the interest rate. The interest rate percent per year is the expressed units of interest. Determinants of interest rate. What are the elements that affects the interest rate? What are the component of interest rate? Risk free rate of interest. Please focus in read later. Risk free rate of interest K star, and another means the average expected inflation premium. Average mean value of inflation IP, and maturity risk premium MRP, default risk premium DRP, liquidity risk premium MRP. These five factors are determinants of interest rate in our next formula. Just we have to just in this video you can compute the interest rate. Only numerical problem are discussed. Computation of interest rate, some formula you can say the interest rate of government or treasury security. There are two types of security. One is the government security, another is the corporate security. Government security and treasury security are the same, they are the synonym. Government security, or you can say the treasury security, like government bond or treasury bond, whatever. Government security are those security which are issued by the government or local body of government or federal government, whatever. And the corporate security are those security which are issued by the corporation, companies or firm. So the interest rate of government security and corporate security are different. Have a look on formula. Interest rate of government security or treasury security, whatever you say, government security or treasury security, equal to KGN. K means the interest rate and G means the government security, N means for a N period of time. For example, interest rate of 5 year means KG5 for the government security. KGN equal to K star plus IPN. IPN means inflation premium. K star means the real risk rate. Real risk rate plus IPN. IPN means inflation premium plus MRPN means maturity risk premium for a n period of time. This notation is important. And another formula is interest rate of corporate security, KCN. Interest rate of corporate security, KCN, equal to K star plus IPN plus MRPN plus DRP plus LRP. Have a look. The interest rate of government security K star plus IPN plus MRPN is the same thing repeated in the interest rate of corporate security, that is K star plus IPN plus MRPN. These three items are repeated, but interest rate of corporate security have a more two item, that is DRP and LRP. And what is the value of IPN? The average expected inflation premium. IPN means the average expected inflation premium. IPN equal to summation of inflation of n years divided by n years. If you calculate the IP3, then inflation of year 1, inflation of year 2 and inflation of year 3, these three inflation are sum. You have to add these three inflation and divide by 3, that is the mean value of inflation is called the average expected inflation premium, mean. Now the next formula is periodic interest rate. I per, I means interest rate, per means periodic interest rate. So I per equal to the annual interest rate, or we can say this is the I, and divide by m, where m equal to the number of compounding in a year. Number of compounding in a year means how much the interest is compounded, how many times the interest is compounded in a year. If the interest is compounded semi-annually, then the interest, the the number of compounding in a year equal to 2. If the interest is compounded quarterly, the number of compounding in a year equal to 4. If the interest is calculated monthly, then the value of equal to 12. If weekly, 52. If daily, 365. And the next one is effective annual rate or effective interest rate, whatever you can say. Effective rate EAR equal to 1 plus I upon m to the power m minus 1. Have a look. I upon m means the I per, periodic interest rate, where I equal to the annual interest rate. Look at formula. These formula are useful for next slide, next time. Now have a look on question. AIMS College wants to take a 5-year mortgage loan of rupees 5 million from Nepal Bank Limited. The bank charges 18% per annum interest. What is the periodic rate and effective rate if the bank charges the interest semi-annually, quarterly, and monthly? First of all, you have to find the given information. Look at the question. AIMS College wants to take a 5-year mortgage loan. 5 year is the time period and the loan amount 5 million is the loan amount. Loan amount means here the loan amount is 5 million and the time period is 5 year. The bank limited, Nepal Bank Limited, the bank charge 18% per annum interest. That is the interest rate, annual interest rate per annum. What is the periodic interest rate and effective interest rate? Periodic interest rate I per equal to what, and effective rate EAR equal to what? We know that for semi-annually, the number of compounding in a year m equal to 2. Always use the semi-annually m equal to 2. And I per formula equal to I upon m. I means annual interest rate upon m. Here is the annual interest rate is 18% divided by m equal to 2 equal to 9% is our semi-annual periodic rate. And EAR, effective rate, equal to 1 plus I upon m to the power m minus 1. We can put the formula 1 plus 0.18. Oh, look. You have to put the interest rate as per rupee. While you are calculating the effective interest rate, use the interest rate by dividing the percentage interest rate by 100. Here is 0.18 is the per rupee interest rate. This is called the per rupee or per dollar interest rate, per unit interest rate, not a percent. You have to put it, and the decimal value 0.18 is our 18%. 18% means 18 divided by 100, that is 0.18. So EAR, while you are calculating the EAR, use the 18% as a 0.18 and 10% as a 0.1, 9% as a 0.09. This is the main thing. Divide by 2 to the power 2 minus 1. We have calculated 18.18%. 81%. 81%. Now this is the For semi-annually, the IPER equal to 9% and EAR equal to 18.18%. Always you have pay attention that the annual interest rate and the EAR, for comparing the annual interest rate and EAR, always the EAR is greater than the annual interest rate, that is more than 18% here. Always. For quarterly, the number of compounding in a year, m equal to what? The number of compounding in a year, m equal to 4. So I per equal to I upon m, that is 18 divided by 4 equal to 4.5, and the EAR equal to 1 plus I upon m to the power m minus 1. You have to use the 18% as a 0.18 in while calculating effective annual interest rate. Please pay attention on this while calculating EAR, and you can get the value of EAR equal to 19.25%. that is quarterly. For monthly you can calculate, it's the assignment to you. For monthly, for point C, the question part C, this is the assignment for you. And the next question, have a look on the next question. The real risk-free rate is 2%. Real risk-free rate K star equal to 2%. Inflation is expected. Please, while reading these questions, you have to find out the given information. I said the real risk-free rate is 2% K star. Inflation is expected to be 5% for next 2 years. That is, inflation for year 1 is 5%. Inflation for year 2 is 5%. I1 equal to 5%, I2 equal to 5%, and 8% during the next 3 years thereafter. Then after 2 years, the 8% is the inflation rate for the next 3 years. That is inflation for year 3. I3 equal to 8%, I4 equal to 8%, I5 equal to 8%. Assume that the maturity risk premium is 0 for 3 year security. 0 to 3 year security, the maturity risk premium is 0, and for maturity more than 3 years, the maturity risk premium increase at the rate of 1% per year. Then the MRP 4 equal to 1%, MRP 5 equal to 2%, MRP 6 equal to 3%. The MRP is increases as year increase after 3 years. Now, A number, what is the yield on 3 years treasury bond? The yield means the interest rate here. Yield means the return. Return means how much return is given by the security, that is determined by interest rate. So the yield means we have to calculate the interest. Yield means interest. What is the yield on 3 year treasury bond? That is KG3 equal to what? B. If default risk premium DRP and liquidity risk premium LRP for BBB rated bond, that is corporate bond, is 1% and 2% respectively, what is the yield on 5 year BBB rated bond? That is KC5 equal to what? C. If a 6 year treasury bond yield 12.5%, what would be the expected inflation in year 6? Now, the 6 year treasury bond, that is KG6 equal to 12.5%. KG6. Directly it has the interest rate of 6 year treasury security is given, KG6 equal to 12.5%. What would be the expected inflation in year 6? That is inflation for year 6, I6 equal to what? Now you have to write the given information. Real risk rate K star equal to 2%, inflation for year 1 I1 equal to 5%, inflation for year 2 equal to 8%, I3 equal to 8%, I4, I5. And the MRP, maturity risk premium, MRP 0 to 3 year equal to 0. And the maturity risk premium MRP 4 for the year 4 equal to 1%, and MRP maturity risk premium for year 5 equal to 2% as per question. A, the yield on 3-year treasury bond KZ3 equal to what? Default risk premium DRP equal to what? Liquidity risk premium DRP equal to 1% and LRP equal to 2%, and yield on 5-year BBB rated bond is KC5 equal to what? AB. Now KC3 equal to K star plus IP3 plus MRP3. This is our formula. Now you can put the value of K star, IP3 and MRP3. Look at the given information. You have a K star 2%, IP3. There is no IP3 in the given information. Only I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 inflation for year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are given, but the value of IP3 is not given in the given question, given information. MRP3 equal to 0. So you have to calculate IP3. Now where IP3 equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 divide by 3, that is 5%, 5%, 8% divided by 3 equal to 6%. 6% is our IP3. Now you can calculate the interest rate of treasury security, 3 years treasury security KG3. The K star is 2%, IP3 equal to 6%, and MRP3 equal to 0. We get 8% as a KG3 value. Now go ahead, the B number questions. The B number questions is the yield on 5-year BB rated bond, that is KC5 equal to what? We know that the KC5 equal to K star plus IP5 plus MRP5 plus DRP plus LRP. First of all, you have to look the value variable in the given questions. We have a K star information, but we don't have a IP5 information. We have MRP5, that is 2%, DRP also in the B question 1%, and LRP is 2%, but we don't have IP5. So first of all, we have to calculate IP5. Now IP5 means the summation of inflation of year 5, that is I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5 divided by 5. Now put it the value 5%, 5%, 8% divided by 5%, that is 6.8% is the IP5. Now we can calculate 2% K star, 6.5% IP5, MRP 2%, DRP 1%, and LRP 2%. Now we can get 13.8% is the interest rate of default risk premium. Now the interest rate part C, interest rate of 6-year treasury bond KG6 equal to 12.5 is given in the part C information. Expected inflation in year 6, that is I6 equal to what? We know that KG6 equal to 12%. Now the formula of KG6, you can put the interest rate of KG6 means the interest rate of 6-year government security, not the corporate security. So you have put the value of KG6 in a formula. KG6 equal to K star plus IP6 plus MRP6. You can put the value of K star and MRP6. MRP6 is the 3%, because every year after 3 years, every year the MRP is increased by 1%, that is I4 MRP4 equal to 1%, MRP5 equal to 2%, MRP6 equal to 3%, MRP7 equal to 4% consecutively. So The K star is constant 2%, IP6 we don't know about the value of IP6, plus MRP 6 equal to 3% equal to 12.5%. Now IP6 equal to 2 and 5, 2 and 3 are summed 5 and 5 are goes to the 12.5 less. So 12.5 minus 5 equal to 7.5 is our IP6. Now put the value of IP6, the formula of IP6. Now the formula of IP6 equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5 plus I6 divided by 6 equal to 7.5. The 6 is goes to the 7 point side, right hand side by multiplying now, and put the value of I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. We don't have a value of I6. We have to calculate the value of I6. Now the value of I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5 are in the given questions, and the value of I6 now we can calculate. I6 is equal to 45 minus 34, I6 equal to 11. Therefore the expected inflation rate in a year 6 is 11%. This is the C number points answer. Now short question, have a look on the short question. Interest rate of 5-year treasury bond. Interest rate of 5-year treasury bond is 10%, and 5-year interest rate of 5-year treasury bond T bond is 10%, and 5-year bond of ABC company yield 13%. That is the corporate bond is 13% with liquidity risk premium 1%. Find the default risk premium. Interest rate of 5-year T bond KG5 equal to 10%. Interest rate of 5-year corporate bond, that is KC5, equal to 13%. And another information is the liquidity risk premium LRP equal to 1%. What is the default risk premium DRP? We know that KZ5 equal to K star plus IP5 plus MRP5 DRP plus LRP. Now KZ5 equal to K star plus IP5 and MRP. Have a look. KG5 equal to K star IP and MRP5. These three elements are same in KC5. So we can put the KC5 equal to KG5 plus DRP plus LRP. Now the new formula has been created. So put the value of KC5, KG5 and the LRP, we can get the DRP. Now DRP equal to 2%, you can get. Now we are going to the expectation theory, formula derivation process. This is the additive model. Have a look on the timeline. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the number of year, and the 0 to 6, the interest rate of 0 to 6, K0, K6 is the yellow line, yellow orange line. 0K6 is the orange color. So 0K6 is the interest rate of 6-year security, and the interest rate of 4-year security is 0K4, the blue line, blue curve, and the red curve is the interest rate of 2-year security, but the 2-year security, the 2-year is from 4-year from now. So have a look on the notation. 0K6 means 0 to 6 year. 0K6 interest rate of 0 to 6 year. 0K4 means 0 to 4 year interest rate of security from 0 to 4 year, and the 4K6 is the interest rate of 2-year security. 4 to 6 is the 2-year security, that is calculated from 4 year to 6 year. So have a look on the notation. Interest rate of 6-year security currently yielding, that is called 0K6. Please concentrate on the color 0K6, and the interest rate of 4-year security currently yielding 0K4 is the blue color, and the interest rate of 2-year security 4 years from now. 4 years from now means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the 0 year is the now, and 4 years from now means the year 4 is 4 years from now. From 4 year, the interest rate of 2-year security means 4 to 5 1 year, 5 to 6 2 years. So 4 to 6 is the 2-year security 4 years from now, 4K6. Now from additive model, the long line 0 to 6 equal to 0 to 4 plus 4 to 6. So this is not our formula, but this formula is our exact formula from additive model. Have a look. 0K6, 0 to 6. 0 to 6 is the 6 year. So the deviation 6 minus 0 equal to 6. So the 6 into 0K6 equal to 0K4. The difference between 0 and 4 is the 4. So 4 into 0K4 plus 4K6. 4K6. The difference between 4K6, 4 to 6 is the 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So 2 into 4K6. This is our expectation theory formula from the additive model. Have a look on the green color. This is added. So this is the additive model. Now the expectation theory formula derivation by multiplicative model. This is the same. This is same as before, but while calculating 0K6 equal to 0K4 into 4K6, that is the multiplicative model. Concentrate on the green color, that is multiplied. In before additive model there is added, but here 0K4 into 4K6, both two variables are multiplied. So this is the multiplicative model. Have a look. 0K6, 1 plus 0K6 equal to 1 plus 0K4 into 1 plus 4K6. In all variable you have to add the value 1. Next one is the complete formula. These before two formula are not the formula. 1 plus 0K6 as before, and to the power 6 is 0K6. The difference between the 0 to 6 is 6, so the power is 6. The difference between 0K4, that is 4, 0 minus 4, so the power is 4, and the 4K6, the difference between 4 to 6 is the 2, so power will be 2. Now this is the formula by multiplicative model. Here is some question. Have a look on question. Suppose the interest rate of 6-year security currently yielding is 14%, that is 0K6, whereas 4-year security yield 13%, that is 0K4. Find the interest rate of 2-year security. Find the interest rate of 2-year security yielding 4 years from now, that is 4K6 equal to what? Answer. Given, you have to find the given information. Interest rate of 6-year security currently yielding 0K6 equal to 14%. Interest rate of 4-year security currently yielding 0K4 equal to 13%. Interest rate of 2-year security 4 years from now, that is 4K6 equal to what? This is our question. Now according to the expectation theory, 0K6 into 0K6 equal to 4 into 0K4 plus 2 into 4K6. This is the additive model. You can also calculate this interest rate by multiplicative model, but the multiplicative model gives some little bit more percentage, more answer than additive model because of compounding effect. So you can use whatever the formula you have easy. Now 6 into 0K6 and 4 into 0K4, 2 into 4K6, you can put the value as in given. 6 into 14. 14 is our 0k6 value. 4 into 0k4, 4 into 13. 13 is 0k4 value plus 4k6. We don't have a value of 4k6 into 2. Now 6 into 14 and 84. 4 into 13 equal to 52. 52 goes to the left side. 84 minus 52 equal to 2 into 4k6. Now the 4k6 value equal to 16%. That is our answer by additive model. You can also calculate this value by multiplicative model, but multiplicative model gives a little bit more answer because of compounding effect. So now you can put the value, you can put the formula. 1 plus 0k6 to the power 6 equal to 1 plus 0k4 to the power 4 into 1 plus 4k6 to the power 2. We have put the value of 0k6, 0k4. Now you can get the value of 4k6. 4k6 equal to 16.03%. The 0.03%, 0.03 is more than additive model because it comes a little bit more answer because of compounding effect. But you can use whatever you have easy. Now please, you are requested to subscribe the channel for upcoming video. Thank you.